rain coming our way, McKenna, and you've got some first alert weather days to tell us about.
As we head into tomorrow, that's the first alert weather day we've gotten. Then we get into Thursday as well. And it's really just going to be for a messy, disruptive pattern through the midweek. And as we get into the end of the work week, we'll still be dealing with some of that shower activity. Right now, what we're watching is this dry line that has set up through parts of West Texas. That has issued some severe thunderstorm watches, those pink boxes there. We've got a couple of warnings as well. Now that dry line starts to shift farther to the east, and that brings with it a storm threat for us in our western sides of North Texas. That'll be for tonight and into early tomorrow morning. So that's something I'll be watching. But as far as severe weather threats go, looking very isolated. We'll just be watching for the potential for some larger hail and for some damaging wind gusts. Once again, that is through tonight. I'll get to that in Futurecast, but right now we are warm and we are much more humid today. That'll be the case the next several. A messy weather pattern begins really tonight through the end of the work week. We'll be dealing with scattered showers and the threat for some isolated stronger storms with pockets of heavy rain possible as well. Keep in mind that'll be on top of already soggy soil. Some spots in North Texas, especially to the northwest of us, picked up anywhere from about 5 to 9 inches of rainfall with those storms that rolled through over the weekend. As far as temperatures go, we are in the middle 80s for the Metroplex, upper 80s for our western spots, Mineral Wells at 88, up along the Red River, settling into the low to middle 80s currently. Now, as far as the next couple of days go, those first alert weather days for Wednesday and for Thursday, that'll be for scattered storm activity and a disruptive pattern. We're not expecting widespread severe weather from this, and we're not expecting days where everybody sees rain, but those best rain chances will be Wednesday and into Thursday. That severe threat for tonight, the 1 out of 5 risk for our western counties, primarily an isolated hail and wind damage threat. So those are things that I will be watching as we head into the overnight hours. And then that renewed threat as we head into tomorrow. We will be looking at kind of an outflow boundary setting up. So notice this is tonight. Dry line pushes closer to North Texas, but this storm threat really starts to dissipate as it approaches the 35 corridor. We get a lull and then we get into Wednesday afternoon and we've got additional scattered storm activity. But notice not everybody sees these storms. They will be very pockety. Couple of us will see storms for a couple of hours and then they will roll back on out. We'll get another lull and then we'll see additional storm activity as we head into Thursday. Once again, a reminder, we are not looking at widespread severe weather threats from this, but it's just going to be fairly disruptive at times as we get through the end of the work week. So your 7-day forecast, those first alert weather days for tomorrow and Thursday for that scattered storm activity. Those storm chances start to die down slightly as we head into Friday. I think mostly going to be a morning threat as we head into Friday. By Saturday, we're just looking at isolated shower chances. Things are starting to clear up. Highs in the lower 80s to start the weekend. Then by Sunday, most of us are dry. Highs in the middle 80s there. We kick off the next work week on a dry note, and then storm chances return the middle of next week.